Namaste, my dear children. Welcome to distance learning sessions through videos. We are discussing chapter number 3 in maths textbook. The chapter name is Subtraction. And this is the third session on this chapter. Today, let us learn subtraction of 4-digit numbers. Dear children, subtraction is same whether we are subtracting 2-digit numbers, 3-digit numbers, 4-digit numbers, or any number of digits in a number. The procedure of subtraction will be same. Let us take few examples of 4-digit numbers and subtract. Example number 1. Subtract 4582 from 6897. So to find the difference or to subtract the given number from the other number, we will follow the same procedure as we did in previous classes. Solution. First we will draw the place values table, and in this table we will write down the given numbers appropriately. That means, so subtracting 4582 from 6897 means 6897 should be written first in the first row here in this table. In the first row we have mentioned the names of place values. In the second row we will write down the second number among the given two numbers, that is 6897. 6 is in thousands place, 8 is in hundreds place, 9 is in tens place, and 7 is in ones place. And we will write down 4582 below this number with minus sign here, minus 4582. Now let us subtract starting from ones column. So 7 and 2 are in ones place. Now we should subtract 2 from 7. So on subtracting 2 from 7, we will get 5 as difference. And we will move to the tens column. Here we will subtract 8 from 9. And we get 1. And in hundreds column, we will subtract 5 from 8. On doing so, we will get 3 as difference. And then in thousands place, we will subtract 4 from 6. So we will get 2 as difference. So the difference is 2315. Now let's move to the second example. Example number 2. Subtract 4532 from 6847 and verify. Solution. We will write down the given numbers according to their place values. Here we will write down 6847 847, and below that we will write down minus 4532. Now let us subtract. Here in ones column we have 2 should be subtracted from 7. So now we will subtract 2 from 7 and we get 5 as difference. 7 minus 2 is 5. And in tens column 4 minus 3 is 1. Here 8 minus 5 is 3. 6 minus 4 is 2. 2315 is the difference. And now let us verify our answer. So for verification, what we do? So let us verify here. Verification of subtraction. Verification. So I will write down 4532 plus the difference we got now 2315. Let us add these two now. 2 plus 5 is 7. 3 plus 1 is 4. 5 plus 3 is 8. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6847. So see here. Here also we have 6847, and here also we got 6847. That means our difference 2315 is correct. We have verified. Now let us move to the next example. Example number 3. Subtract 3261 from 8623 and check your answer. Let us write down the given numbers in this place values table. 8623 minus 3261. Subtract now. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 minus 6 is not possible. We cannot subtract 6 tenths from 2 tenths. So 2 minus 6 is not possible because 6 is greater than 2 or 2 is less than 6. In such cases, what we do is we will borrow from neighboring column, that is from hundreds column. Here in hundreds column there are 6 hundreds. So we need to borrow 100 to the tens column. Let us do that now. So now this 6 hundreds can be written as 500 plus 100. 100 will be borrowed to the tens column. So now this becomes 5 hundreds, and this 2 tens become now 12. So here 1 100 can be written as 10 tens. So 10 tens plus 2 tens were there, and together it becomes 12 tens. Now we can subtract 6 from 12. So on subtracting 6 from 12, we get 6 as difference. Here we will subtract 2 from 5 and we get 3 as difference, 3 hundredths. And we subtract 3 thousandths from 8 thousandths and we get 5 thousandths as difference, 5. So 5362 is the difference of given two numbers. Further in this question we are asked to check the answer. So we know how to check our answer. So let us check the answer. Three thousand 261 plus 5362. Adding these two will give us a sum, and we will compare that sum with the number from which we have subtracted the other number. Let us add these two numbers. 1 plus 2 is 3, 6 plus 6 is 12, 2 is here, 1 is carried to the next column, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 3 plus 5 is 8, 8623, which was the given number, given number in the question, that is 8623. This is the number from which we have subtracted 3261. Therefore, since the sum matches with the given number, our answer is correct. The difference is correct. So this is how you can verify the difference you find in any subtraction question. Question number 4. Find the difference 9568 minus 1359 and verify. Let us write down the given numbers. In such questions, we will write down the numbers in the given order. When the question is given like this, that is, find the difference, and the numbers are given with minus sign, and that here 1359 should be subtracted from 9568. Therefore 9568 should be written in the first row or in the first line here. 9568 and 1359 with minus sign here. So subtracting 9 from 8 is not possible. Since 8 is less than 9, we will borrow from the neighboring higher column. So here this 6 tens now becomes 5 tens, and we will borrow 1 10 to the ones column. So in 1 10 there will be 10 ones. So 10 ones plus 8 ones becomes 18 ones. It becomes 18 ones. Subtracting 9 ones from 18 ones is equal to 9 ones. 18 minus 9 is 9. And here 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. 5 tens minus 5 tens. Coming to hundreds column, here we have 5 hundreds minus 3 hundreds. 5 hundreds minus 3 hundreds is 2 hundreds. Or simply 5 minus 3 is 2. Coming to thousands column, here we have 9 thousands and 1 thousands. So 9 thousands minus 1000 is equal to 8 thousands, or 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. The difference is 8209. Let us verify our answer. Verification. Let us write down the number which is subtracted, that is 1359 plus 8209. Add these two numbers. 9 plus 9 is 18. 8 is written here. 1 is carried to the next column. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 0 is 6. 3 plus 2 is 5. And 1 plus 8 is 9. So the sum we got is 9568, which is same as the first number given in the question. Therefore, our difference 8209 is correct. Example number 5. There were 2453 students in a school morning assembly. 1224 of them were boys. How many girls were there in the assembly? So here we will find the number of girls present in the assembly. So for that, what we do, we will write down the total number of students present in the morning assembly in the first line, that is 2453 total number of students. Among them 1224 were boys. If you subtract the total number of boys from the total number of students present in the morning assembly, you will get the total number of girls present in the assembly that day. Let us do that now. So now we will subtract the digits in ones column, that is we have to subtract 4 from 3, which is not possible because 3 is less than 4, so we cannot subtract 4 from 3. In such cases, what we do, we will borrow from the neighboring higher place value columns. So here this 5 tens becomes 4 tens, and we will borrow 1 10 to the ones column, and it becomes 10 ones. 10 ones plus 3 ones is 13 ones. And now subtract 4 ones from 13 ones, you will get 9 ones as difference. Or simply 13 minus 4 is equal to 9. Here we have 4 tens and 2 tens. So 4 tens minus 2 tens is equal to 2 tens. Or 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Again here 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Here 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. 1229 is the difference which gives the number of girls. Now let us verify our answer. Verification. 1224 plus 1229. Add these two numbers. 9 plus 4 is 13. 3 is written here. 1 is carried to the next column. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 1. 3 plus 2 is 5. 2 plus 2 is 4. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2453. So which was the total number of students as per the given question. So since we got the sum as same as the number from which we subtracted the other number, therefore our difference is correct. The difference we have found is correct. So the conclusion is the number of girls is equal to 1229. Or you may write 1229 girls were there in the assembly. Girls were there in the assembly. This is how you have to solve a word problem or story problem. Hope you enjoyed this video and learned the subtraction of 4-digit numbers. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye children.